My man's been presenting me with the dookie scoopers and the grass cutters. My man should have just kept these where they were, but he insisted I had to do something to him. And you know the guy cannot turn down projects, man. I had to. These boys have been through everything, literally the grass cutters, man. I'ma see what I can do, man. Let's get straight to the video. First thing first, man, we gotta get inside this shoe, so we gotta take these laces off, man. These shoes got grass stains everywhere. My man even got grass inside his shoe. Believe it or not, you're gonna see it later and soon in the video, man. I had to go through drastic measures, but first thing first, get these laces out, though. Like I mentioned before, man, my man just stepped in grass and dookie. I don't know how you get a combination of both, man, but when you cut grass in your shoes, I guess that's what happened, man. But the first thing we gotta do, man, is get a soft bristle brush and get the scrubbing everywhere. We gotta get these a bath, man. And man, as I was cleaning these, I look inside the shoe. I'm like, this nigga get grass inside his shoe. Like, what kind of grass you was stepping in? But yeah, you can see I'm starting to pick it out, man. It got a little wild in here, man. I done cleaned some shoes before. I ain't never seen no grass in somebody's shoes before. So he got a little wild in these. So like I said, a deep cleaning. I got napkins to pick it out. I'm like, what the hell? But that's the process, though. It got so bad, man, I don't always recommend, but you know, if you fixing somebody's shoes, man, also take their insoles out, man. Insoles need a deep cleaning, man. Like I said, he stepped in grass, so D's been through hell. Who knows what's inside this shoe? So give the insoles a nice cleaning, man. These boys gonna be back good. Man, fuck that. I thought I was done with this deep cleaning, man. I had to go get the vacuum cleaner thing so I can get all the grass. There was that much grass in here. I couldn't believe it, man. Like, I shouldn't have to go this far to do some shoes, but I had to go that far, man. But this little thing come in handy, man. I usually use it to clean up simple little fur and everything, but I had to use it for shoes, man. It's rare that I bring it out, man, but luckily I got it, man. So yeah, I'm telling y'all, it was that bad. So yeah, nice little deep cleaning, man. As I work on the soles also, you see I get to using the wire brush for the soles, man. It help with them heavy grass stains. Grass stains can sit in shoes heavy. I'm talking about heavy. And this wire brush should get inside the deep grooves and get all that grass stains out. Trust me, I'm giving y'all the game, man, so y'all don't make them mistakes I make or take forever cleaning these shoes, man. So use a little wire brush. It's gonna get them deep stains off the soles. Look what that deep cleaning done and got these boys back in the game. But we still got a few more steps I gotta do, man. Dre sauce these soles to get the yellow off, man. You can get the Dre sauce link in the description. You already know. Dre sauce gonna get the yellow off these soles, man. Do 1 or 2 sessions. I think we only need 1 session, man. It's a pretty sunny day in Chicago. 1 session gonna get these boys right. Do both sides about an hour or 2 each, man. These boys gonna be just right back in the game, crispy white, ready to go. Remember, man, when you're icing soles in the sun, the temperature has to be under 85 degrees. If you feel like it's too hot outside, don't put them shoes in the sun. It's a quicker results, but be cautious with that sun, though. As we put them shoes in the oven, unyellow them soles and let them dry, because they are soaked after cleaning them. Let's do these laces. These laces definitely need the same treatment, a nice deep cleaning. Do them how you used to do your school uniform. You know, you from the hood, you know what I'm talking about. Hand wash them in, blue soap, let them dry for a few hours, and y'all done with the laces. After a few hours doing both sides, man, the shoes should be unyellowed by now, man. So you pretty much done with the restoration, man. The laces, after a few hours also, man, put them inside the shoe, man. Y'all done, man. We got the perfect comeback for these navy blue UNC 9s. The restoration wasn't that bad, man. The grass stains, I ain't gonna lie, they kind of scared me a little bit. Cause sometimes grass stains don't come out, man. But it ain't nothing that God ain't never seen before. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Watch the other videos, man. I'm always giving out free game.